welcome back to No GMO Kitchen, the Manc menu. Now, I'd forgotten about this English delicacy, but I was recently back in Blighty and I was reacquainted with a Coronation Street chicken butty. I suddenly thought, how have I lived without this for so long? So if you're trying to figure out what to do with that leftover pollo, this is the perfect curry filling. First off, add 2 tablespoons of either creme fraiche or Greek yogurt into a pan. Then another 2 tablespoons of mayo. After that, 2 teaspoons of mango chutney. Then we add 2 tablespoons of curry powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Then a heaped tablespoon of tomato paste or puree. After that, the juice of 1 lemon. Heat them together and give it a good whisk. Give it a quick taste test, and if all's good, add 1 spring onion. After that, half a cup of sultanas. If you don't got, just leave them out. This is also optional, but it does add a great crunchy contrast. Toast some almond splinters and add them to the pan. And then add the leftover chicken from last night. Put it in a dish and place it in the fridge for about an hour to let everything settle. Okay, Coronation Street chicken in a baked potato. What's it taste like, dear?
Tastes fantastic. It's very good.
Would you pay for that in a restaurant?
Yes, absolutely.
You might not get it in a restaurant, you might get it in a transport cafe. Is that cool?
It's delicious.
Thank you.
Seconds, please.